What's up, guys? It's Ryan, watching Ryan Vision. Nice cloudy day here in Northern California. Gonna take advantage of it. We're on my 3.5 acre property. And the other day when I was looking at the 5.9 ZJ down in Discovery Bay, I came back home to a oak tree on the ground. Broke off right at the trunk. And I've just been letting it dry out, letting the deer get some of the leaves. And now it's time to cut it up, get it out of here. As you can tell, I keep the grass very short, and I keep the trees off the ground for fire safety. It's a big deal around here. So let's get this thing off the ground. Let's take advantage of these clouds on a little cooler temps. It's been, mid to high 90s lately, but today's a little bit cooler, maybe 90 at the high. But the clouds are what I'm after. It's going to keep me shaded a little bit while we knock this out. So let's head down to the Comanche, my firewood truck, see if we can get it fired up. And my chainsaw and stuff's in the back of that, and we'll get going. And for those of you who don't know, this is the Jeep I was down Discovery Bay looking at. I did pick it up, and it is up for grabs. You could win it. Go to rynvzn.com for more information, full walkthrough video, and enter to win.
coffee cold, hauling east with a heavy load. Mama's last call still in my ear, said, "Hun, come home when you get clear." 4 states down, 10 more to go. White line praying as I roll. Picture on my dash, kids in the frame. Wave at my face but only know my name. I count these miles by the bridge lights, by the tears I hide in the cab at night. Money in the bank, wheels in the lane, keeps this old heart from breaking in vain. Miss my home, but the road keeps calling on. Miss my home, keeps the money coming, keeps me calm. And I wonder all alone, maybe they're better off with me on the road. Little boy asked, "When you coming back?" I could feel the hurt when his little voice cracked. Baby girl drew a house with a crooked red door, said, "Take this, daddy, come back for more." I sleep by the map, I wake by dawn, shaving in the mirror with my boots still on. Every exit sign feels like a test. Every county line says you're doing your best. I grip that wheel when the doubt rolls in, let the engine hum and the fear fade in. Long haul silence, blacktop grace, keeps me steady in a restless place. Miss my home, but the road keeps calling on. Miss my home, keeps the money coming, keeps me calm. And I wonder all alone, maybe they're better off with me on the road. If I pull in now, what do I bring? Empty hands and a tired ring. If I stay out here, I pay that price, but I keep their table warm at night. So I talk to God through the chrome smokestacks, ask if I should keep on running these tracks. 'Cause a good man breaks in two sometimes, one on the road, another home each night. Miss my home, but the road keeps calling on. Miss my home, keeps the money coming, keeps me calm. And I wonder all alone, maybe they're better off with me on the road. Miles fade out, but the love stays strong. I keep on driving, singing this song. Miss my home, maybe they're better off with me on the road.
Well, I think that's it for today, guys. Got this thing all cut up, got the brush piled up, but with the fuel leak you saw in the Comanche, it's not safe to drive, so I'm not going to be hauling this wood today. I'm not going to be taking the brush down to the burn pile in the lower. Going to have to get a new fuel line. Once the Comanche's all squared away, then I'll clean up the rest of this mess. But pretty good job for today. So just another day living in Northern California in the foothills, taking care of all the surprises nature gives you on a regular basis. I do have a couple more trees to finish up in the lower. I just wanted to get this one done because it is fire season. As you can see, everything's dry, and this one's right by the house, so didn't want to take any chances. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. See ya.